5 of the most well-regarded FINRA licenses for the finance investing industry. FINRA licenses are required for some jobs in the investing industry because of the expertise and regulatory compliance for specific roles. Number 5, Series 31. It's a 1-hour test. It costs $90. It's for people who want to become a commodities trading advisor or manage futures-oriented investment funds. 4, the Series 6. It's a 1.5-hour exam that costs $75 and the pass rate is approximately 72%. It's for selling mutual funds and variable annuities. It's usually for mutual fund representatives and insurance agents. Number 3, the Series 65. It's a 3-hour exam that costs $180 and the pass rate is approximately 70%. It's for people who want to provide investment advice and manage client assets, typically for investment advisors, financial planners, and wealth managers. Number 2, Series 63. It's an hour and 15-minute exam that costs $147 with a 70% pass rate. It's focused on state security regulations and laws. It's mainly for investment advisors and broker-dealer agents. Number 1, the Series 7. It's a 3-hour and 45-minute exam that costs $300 with a 65% pass rate. It's one of the most sought-after licenses because of how broad it is. You deal with stocks, bonds, options, and mutual funds. It's for financial advisors, stockbrokers, and any individuals involved in securities trading.